Yes, please come. Thanks you. Can we have your resume?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Hi Sumit, please introduce yourself to the panel.
So my name is Sumit Malhotra. I am from district Karnal State, Haryana. I have done my graduation in electrical engineering from Kurukshetra University. We are 4 members in my family. I like to listen soft music. I like to do traveling, and I like to do some kind of exercise like yoga and meditation. So that's it.
Who is your favorite singer?
So my favorite singer is Arijit Singh.
Can you name 3 songs of Arijit Singh?
Yes, sir. First is Zoom Jo Pathan, recently from Pathan movie, and Muskurane Ki Wajah Tum Ho, Tum Hi Ho.
Okay. Other than singing song, what your other hobbies?
So
What are your other hobbies?
to do some exercise like yoga, meditation, and to do some traveling.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Last time, which place you traveled?
So I traveled Punjab, sir.
Can you describe about your traveling?
So I have gone to Patiala in Punjab for my exam, High Court clerk exam, and I go there and through bus.
Okay. Okay, nice. Sure.
Okay, Sumit, I have a few questions for you.
Yes, sir.
तो सबसे पहले तो मैं पूछना चाहूँगा आपको डिसिप्लिन को लेके थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम रहता है क्लासेस में सिंस आप टीचर बनने वाले हैं और शायद विश यू द बेस्ट कि आप ही सिलेक्ट हो तो एज ए टीचर डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करना क्लास में काफ़ी चैलेंजिंग हो जाता है और ये रूल्स की प्रॉब्लम भी हो सकती है राइट सो मुझे आपसे एग्जैक्टली जानना है कि क्या आप स्ट्रैटेजीज डिप्लॉय करोगे डिसिप्लिन मेंटेन करने के लिए अपने क्लास में
Sir, I think discipline is the backbone of every student,
ओके
and there are a lot of students who are not in discipline, or some students do not remind about the rules and regulations which they should follow in the classroom. So I will try to manage them. I will try to remind them about the rules, and also I will give some positive examples of students who are in discipline, so that they get motivated about discipline in the class.
तो
And also I will not humiliate anyone of them.
okay so are you sure that if you give some other students example they will feel motivated isn't there a chance that they will feel jealous also
No, but I will give it in positive way. I will respect them. So I will not humiliate them about it.
So I have one more question for you. Every teacher, has some sort of teaching philosophy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what exactly is your philosophy? What do you believe in when it comes to teaching?
Sir, as a person, I think I like to make people understand easily everything. And also, as a teacher, I think a teacher should have good communication skill so that he can communicate his own knowledge to all the students.
So Sumit, what is your subject?
So my subject is physics.
Sorry?
Physics.
Physics. Why do you like physics?
Sir, I like physics because physics is totally based on experiments and practical work. It's all theory is presented to us by doing experiments by our great scientists in the recent years. They have done a lot of hard work on these theories.
Which is the experiment you like, and which scientist experiment you like the most?
Sir, I think there are a lot of experiments like how to reproduce electricity, how the light is focused on one point, or we can say a lot of we have sonar system which is totally based on physics. Sound waves are used in that experiment. Sir.
Okay,
So-
what is force according to you?
So I think force is equal to mass into acceleration, or we can say force is a weight, and weight is equal to mg, means mass into gravity.
Then what is the difference between mass and weight?
So I think there is a difference. Force is like force can be physically, but there is some force like we use gravitational forces, and for this we use weight of any body.
Okay. Then what is echo?
So I think echo is a kind of reflection of wave that we hear. Like if we are standing nearby any building and we shout and we listen some sensation of sound as a reflection. So I think echo and the time for echo is I think 0.1 second.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So have you prepared any topic for your demo?
Yes, sir.
So can you give your demo?
Yes, sir.
You can
Thank you,
start.
sir. So shall I assume this class as my classroom?
Yes, surely.
Sure. So, my dear students, good morning to all of you. Today's topic is very interesting topic, and I'm going to tell you about something. I will give an example. Like this is our marker, and I strike this marker to the board. Did you listen something? Yes. Anybody? Yes. We listen some sound, or we can say that if I am clapping, or I am rubbing my hand, or I am just scratching this marker to the board, and I am speaking to you. These all kind of examples produce some sound. So did you notice something unique or some common thing in all these examples? Yes. Anyone please? Okay. The common thing is vibration. So the sound is what? Sound is just a kind of sensation which makes us able to hear that sound. So the sound is produced by vibrations, as I have told you. So vibrating objects produce sound. So my dear students, I'm going to tell you about what is vibration. Yes, anyone? Anyone in the class? Yes. Vibration is like to and fro motion of objects. Okay. Vibration is what? To and fro motion of objects. So basically our topic is sound. So my dear students, sound is produced by vibrating objects. So my dear students, as I am speaking to you, you are receiver, I am sender, or I am as a source. So we can take an example like if you touch the hand with your vocal cord. When I speak, vibration is produced. Okay. So if I am giving you an example, or I am going to draw a diagram, how this sound. Yes, I am going to ask you some question like if I am speaking to you, the sound goes to you by what? Some medium? Yes. Anyone please? Anyone tell me the medium? Yes, the medium is air. So my dear students, have a look at the diagram I am going to draw. Let us suppose
Which is the fastest medium through which sound can travel? The fastest medium.
fastest medium is air.
Not air. Air is not the fastest medium. Okay, continue.
This is source, and this is, we can say this is source or sender. This is receiver, and this is our medium. Yes. What is medium? I have told you. Yes, anyone? Medium is air. And my dear students, as you know, in air there are some tiny particles, okay, which are not visible by our eyes, but there are some tiny particles due to which our sound or our vibration, which travels, or sound wave travels through these tiny particles. So we will take these tiny particles as These are our teeny particles. So my dear, this is our medium, these are our teeny particles through which our sound wave travels. Okay, so what happens is, these teeny particles, we will assume this.
What are compressions and reflection?
Yes, sir. Sir, in the air or in our medium, when the sound is produced, vibration is produced. Okay, and we can say this is disturbance in the atmosphere or in the air. Due to this disturbance, the teeny particles starts moving from their equilibrium position and go forward, and they exert pressure on other particles. And due to this pressure, this is our medium, part of medium, and this comes close. It means there is some compression, or we can say high pressure. So this is our compression or high pressure.
Okay, now you can take your seat, please.
And now there's just one last question that I'd like to ask you. मेरे एंड से सिर्फ आखिरी क्वेश्चन है, बाकी होगा मुझे पता नहीं. तो मेन चीज़ जो है ना, एज ए टीचर क्या है कि काफ़ी सारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज बढ़ जाती हैं. अब हमारे पास हमने बहुत सारे कैंडिडेट्स का भी इंटरव्यू लिया है और काफ़ी सारे औरों का भी इंटरव्यू लेना है. तो बस मुझे 25 सेकंड में आप बस ये कन्विंस कर दीजिए कि हम आपको क्यों हायर करें. व्हाई शुड वी हायर?
Sir, I think I like to make people understand things properly.
Okay.
I am some kind of creative person. I like to engage all the class. I like to make study interesting so that they can get the knowledge what I want to tell them. And it is beneficial for them. And sir, if you give me the chance, I will try to give my best. And not as a teacher, but as a mentor or counselor, I will guide all the students or their parents properly.
Thank you.